Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing
the new Apple AirPods
2. So the ones we have are with the wireless charging pad. So case, and it's always white. They haven't changed the color, which is sad. So let's open the box now.
Okay.
Okay. And let's just, okay. So now we're just gonna be
Slowly opening the box.
Opening.
As usual.
Okay, so it looks like they also added one of these designed by Apple things. So let's see what's inside first. So first thing that you take out is
AirPods, iOS.
So this is a paper, teaches you how to connect it, and it also tells you over here on the back, it tells you what the lights in mean, and yeah, here. You can see it's pretty useful if you don't know how to connect it or anything.
And some more papers, like for
Random papers, like
So there's no stickers as they come.
Wait, no stickers?
Yeah. No stickers.
Are you sure? 100%? Okay. Okay, so no stickers. Okay, that's sad.
Now,
no stickers.
So now,
let's get on to the main part.
So on the new AirPods, you can engrave. So if you want to write your name on the case, you can write them.
So we wrote this thing down.
So we got it engraved.
We engraved it with Tam. Okay. So okay, there's a little
hatch
thing, yeah.
Oh, there's a cable.
Okay.
So it's the cable is lightning cable, so you can use this cable for your iPhone charging.
Looks like I have a cable too, so yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So let's put these on the side for now.
Okay.
And this is the thing.
It's super small.
It's pretty small, you can fit it in your pocket, but if it comes out, you probably won't feel it, I guess.
It's so small.
Let's take up this thing. We just
the charging port is at the bottom.
Okay, from here. Okay, now I see.
And there's some writing on the back of it. And
Okay,
there's this button.
Okay, so it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Moving 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's charging. So you can see that little light, blue, orange light. So it was charging.
So if I turn this back on and do it,
so the wireless charging pad we're using is the Mophie one. You can remember to check out that video we made. So I think we should start pairing it with the phone. So they're pretty good. Wireless charging works very nice.
And they can fit me while I'm a kid. I don't know how it will fit an adult because I can fit one.
Okay, so these are actually pretty good. Very good. There's they sound very nice.
And they're pretty.
They actually look very nice too.
Especially with an engraving.
So thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.
Please like this video and please hit the bell icon.
Bye!